A bank offers a savings account that has an annual percentage rate of 5.9% with interest compounded monthly. Cody deposits $5,500 into an account. We're first asked to determine how much money will Cody have on the account in 1 year, and then determine the annual percentage yield, or the APY. Remember, the APY, or annual percentage yield, is the simple interest rate that would produce the same return at the end of 1 year as the account that paid compounded interest. And this can be helpful when comparing investment accounts that pay different compounded interest. In this video, though, we will answer both questions using the TVM Solver on the TI-84. I do have another video that shows how to do this by hand. So the first step is to access the TVM Solver. From the home screen, we press the Apps button, and then notice how Finance is already highlighted, so we press Enter, and the TVM Solver is the first option, so we press Enter again. Here we have some notes on what each of these rows represent. First, capital N is the total number of payments or compounding periods, which is little n, the number of compounds per year, times t, which is the time in years. And since we have interest compounded monthly, and the time is 1 year, big N is 12, since 12 times 1 is 12. I% is the annual interest rate, which is 5.9, so we don't enter the percent as a decimal. We enter the percent as a percent. Enter. PV is the present value. Because Cody deposits $5,500 into the account, meaning he paid that money into the account, the present value is negative $5,500. Enter. There are no payments into the account, so PMT is 0. Enter. FV stands for future value, which we are solving for. We'll come back to this. Notice for the next two rows we have P/Y and C/Y. P/Y is number of payment periods per year, and C/Y is number of compounding periods per year. Because we have interest compounded monthly, both will be 12. Notice when we enter 12 for payments per year, compounds per year automatically changes to 12. And for this class, we always have the payment option on end. And now we go back up to future value and press alpha enter to solve for the future value, which to the nearest cent is $5,833.42. Let's go ahead and record this. And now let's determine the APY, or annual percentage yield. Remember, this will be the annual simple interest rate that after 1 year would return the same return as the account that pays 5.9% interest compounded monthly. So to find the APY using the TVM Solver, we go back up to capital N and change capital N to 1 because we have simple interest for 1 year. We're going to be solving for the interest rate, so we'll come back to this. PV, our present value, is still negative 5,500. Payment is still 0. The future value stays the same, but we have to change payments per year and compounds per year both to 1. So we press 1, enter, and both change to 1. And now we go back up to the interest rate, which is the second row, and press alpha enter, which will give us the APY, which to the hundredths of a percent is 6.06%. Which means after 1 year, an account that pays 6.06% simple interest would yield the same return as the given account that pays 5.9% interest compounded monthly. I hope you found this helpful.